Hi guys, it's me again, Maria. In this video tutorial, I'm going to show you how I created my jigsaw puzzle inside of Artistly, and then I opened an account to one of the online store and I sign up for Printify, which is you can start anytime with no cost. And I'm going to show you guys how I created my design inside of Artistly, and then I bring it to online store to make money. That's a simple design. I know you're creating more designs. I saw a lot of you posting on our group that you create so many sophisticated and very nice designs on your own, and I just want to let you know that you can make money for your design print on demand. And I'm gonna show you guys where I put all my designs and sell it and make money of it. All right, so without any further ado, let's go to my computer and let's do this. Alright guys, so now we are here in Artistly. First, I'm going to create a design here, and I'm gonna click this one and click the Fast Designer. Of course, we need ChatGPT to give us an idea. Alright, so here are some of the ideas that I got. Well, I asked them to give me some for preschool, for kindergarten, just small pieces of puzzles. It depends on their ages. For toddlers, like they give me 4 pieces, for preschool 9 pieces, and for kindergarten 12 pieces. And I also asked to give me suggestion puzzles for adults. So like this one, mindful relaxation puzzle, aesthetic home decor puzzle. You can ask more and more as long as you want. So just for the sake of this tutorial, I'm going to show you guys what I did. So first, I created for 3 years old or toddlers. So here is the example of prompts by age. So I use the toddlers, which is this prompt. So I just copy this one, and then I go back to Artistly. So from here, guys, you can use create from prompt, B for images. Any one of these you can try and find which one works for you. But for this tutorial, for my puzzle, I use the photorealism, and then I just copy or paste it here, and then I use 4 quantities, so I have a choice, and then I just use the 1:1 ratio, and then I generate the image. So we're gonna wait for seconds while it's generating. This is a new generation, so I'm gonna show you guys the one that I used. Alright, so now as you see guys, here it's processing. So all you're gonna do is just to choose which one do you want, or you can regenerate it. You know that if you don't like the first result or your first attempt, you can always regenerate it. So I'm gonna show you guys which one I've used. Alright, so here are the puzzle that I just got from that prompt, and then you can choose which style do you want. So I choose this one just to download this one into your files. Okay, so once you finish downloading these files, guys, you are going to the store that I can recommend you. If you know the store already, or if you already have a store, then you can just upload this jigsaw puzzle and sell it. Alright, so now here is the Printify where I sell my products, and when you open a pop store with Printify, now you have a quick setup, no upfront cost, and then there you go, and then they can handle the rest. All you're gonna do is just to upload your designs, and so they handle the rest of the shipping and so on and so forth. So if you have an Etsy already, well, that is fine. All you already know what to do. But in Printify, if you don't want to pay cost for upfront, then you can create a pop-up store here for free. Alright, so now here I'm going to my store, and I'm going to show you guys where is my project. So here is my product. And as you see, guys, I've created the apple. Here you go. Alright, so here is the jigsaw puzzle that I created in Artistly, and I uploaded to Printify, and this is how it looks like. So I'm going to show you all the designs or mock-up. So here is the back of the the puzzle. Here is the context. just like that. So you can select all of this and then put it into your selections. I'm just gonna save this one. So this is one of the product that I created inside of Artistly. Alright, so now we're back in ChatGPT and I want to create another puzzle for adults. So here is the mindful relaxation puzzle. What you're going to do is just to copy the code and bring it to Artistly. The aesthetic home decor puzzle, the travel and dream destination. So I got one of these travel and dream destination. You just copy the prompt and then go back to Artistly and go to your AI image designer V6 and I click photorealism and I just paste here the code. Okay, I choose for quantity and then I generate the image. Alright, so there you go. So you can choose which one do you want here, and if you don't like it, then you can regenerate it. You know that, guys, this eye. So for the sake of this tutorial, so I'm just gonna choose one of this puzzle and then I'm going to Printify and upload it to make money and sell. Okay, I choose this one, guys, and then I download it into my files. Okay, so I'm gonna show you guys. Once you download this into your file, you're going back to Printify. Alright, here is the jigsaw puzzle of that view that I created in Artistly, and this is the mock-up, so you can see, and this is how it looks like when you order or somebody order. It's already they already make all of this packing and shipping kind of that's inside the box, things like that. So if you want to upload a new product inside of Printify, this is how you're gonna do it. You're gonna make a design inside of Artistly, and then after you make a design, you're gonna download it into your files. Once you finish downloading it, then going back to Printify. Alright, so to upload the image that you just created, you're just going to go to the catalog and click the early access. Okay, so there are a lot of products here that you can choose from here. Alright, and there you go. So there are a lot of products here that you can use to put your image that you just created inside of Artistly. Alright, you can use t-shirts, you can use this and all of these t-shirts. Then you can just click the next page and you can choose if you want to put the tote bag, then I think the coaster, wood top wall tapestry, things like that. You can just go around and play with these guys, and then so a candle, you can just put some design there and sell that candle on your own, it's just your own design. You can just put it here like sticker, things like that. And here's the travel mug, There are a lot of things that you can make a design and then put in here so that you can, make money in your Artistly design. Okay, let's say I choose this mug and then I'm going to, you can choose the color. How many colors? Oh, they have so many colors here. So you can choose the color that you want. Alright, so let's say I want yellow, you want pink, you can play around with these, guys. I'm just showing you guys how this looks like, just like that. Just make a design. I saw a lot of you are very good in creating designs that you posted on our group. So, this is so much fun doing it. So let's say I choose this color. Then I'm going to click Start Designing. Alright, so once you finish this, once you finish choosing the color that you want, you're going to go to your device and upload the image you just made inside of Artistly. I'm gonna click this one and then I'm just wait for seconds, and there you go. So you can make this a little bit bigger, the size of that. Just make sure it's in the middle of this. It's just like here is your guide here. So I just want to make this, I don't want to cut the L, just like that. So now here you go. Okay, so the mag is white, so you can choose what color your mag is it. So just like that. So you can play around with these guys and choose the color of the mug that you want, just like that. So yeah. Alright, so going back to my store, I want to show you guys the other products that I just created. So I got this puzzle. I've already showed you this one, and the other product that I want this puzzle because when they ship, if somebody order it, it's already in the box, just like this. All you're gonna do is just to create the design inside of Artistly, which is Jigsaw puzzle, not puzzle, so you can get this kind of your product. All right, so the other one, the product that I created inside of Artistly is this one. It's a travel tumbler. So this is how it looks like. Here you go. Okay, that's how it looks like, guys. So you can create a lot of designs inside of Artistly, and you want to create online store. And then I hope this helps, guys. Just you can also use Etsy or Spotify, but the Printify, I choose this one because there's no upfront cost. It's free that you can start your small store inside of Printify. Alright, so that's all for this tutorial, guys. You can also create what else? I also create a puzzle of ornaments like this one. Yeah, so there are a lot of things that you can do for jigsaw puzzle. Depends on the pieces, and this is for the small kids, for the community helper. So I created this for those of just I think toddlers or pre-toddlers. So yeah, you explore this one, guys, and just so you know that you can create a jigsaw puzzle inside of Artistly with the help of ChatGPT. All right. Alright, that's all for today's tutorial, guys. And I hope you can create your own jigsaw puzzle and make money for it, sell it, it's wherever you want to sell it. There are a lot of online store there that you can sell print on demand. But I just want to share with you guys where I put all my stuff starting creating this design inside of Printify. So that's all for today's tutorial, guys. And before you leave, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Click the notification bell so that you get notified every time I upload a new video. And to all my subscribers, thank you so much, guys, for all your support. And to my new subscriber, I saw you that you are signing to my subscribing to my channel. Thank you so much, and I hope to see you next time. Bye for now.